Hey, so today we are making a Bengali recipe of fish fat or fish oil. For this, first you need to procure some fresh fish fat or fish oil. We have taken a 2 kg fish's oil, and after that clean it thoroughly and wash it with water. Now make a paste of yellow mustard seeds and marinate the fish with salt and turmeric powder. After that, we have finely chopped onion, tomato, grated the ginger and chopped some green chilies as well. Now heat a kadai and add the most important ingredient, the mustard oil. It will add all the flavor to the recipe and it is must to use the mustard oil here. After that, add the marinated fish oil and then fry it well, followed by adding the chopped onion, tomato, grated ginger, green chilies, the mustard paste, turmeric powder, salt and some more mustard oil, followed by some water. Keep stirring occasionally, cover and cook on low flame. When the water dries out and oil comes up to the surface, it means that the recipe is ready to serve. Serve it hot with rice and I can guarantee that you'll finish a plate full of rice with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.